Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your Oppo A77 louder. So in the first step we have to open the Play Store, then look for the volume app. Choose one of them. I'm using the Goodiv app. Choose install, and we have to wait a second. Okay, now we can open it. Click yes, agree or no thank you 3 times. And close the window. Tap on the OK, and the tool is active now. You can increase and decrease the volume booster by this little slider. You can see the 60% is max, so just adjust it to your needs. And now just tap on the home screen and the tool is still active at the background. If you close the app from the background, the tool is still active. You can see that I have an icon of that. So if you want to disable it, open the app from the background apps or from the home screen and choose stop service. Click OK, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.